So HTML's basic structure is like a sandwich. You are feeling hungry? These tags are like breads of the sandwich which cover the whole HTML page. Like, so we type something over here. Let's say I type my name, and we close this HTML tag. So you see, these are the tags which acts like a sandwich bread which cover the whole HTML page. Immediately after the HTML tag comes the head tag, which is like head of an HTML file contains all of the non-visual elements helps that helps us to make the page work. So it's like, and we type something over here and you close the tag. So you see, this is how we create head tag. After this comes the body tag. In the body tag, there are things like heading, list, quotes, images, links are just of the few elements that can be contained within a body tag. All the visual stuff that you see are inside body tag, and it's like body, and we type something and we close the tag. So these are the basic things or the basic elements which on which the structure of an HTML page depends on. So friends, this was enough for this video.